What's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another video. What's good, man? Hey, Mr. George, how much you pay this guy? $20? No, too much. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be heading to the freaking city. It is a little cold out, and your boy needs some gas, because you guys know we always need gas. But we're gonna get gas real quick, head to the city, and then see what's going on down there. So stay tuned. $5, right? All right, you guys, so we're on the road right now. We're probably like 25, 30 tops minutes away from the city. But other than that, you guys already know what we do, man. We go to the city, make some noise, be loud, have fun, and that's it. So enjoy, and I'll see you guys in a few, all right? See if we make some noise under this bridge. It's mad wind though, I don't know. We outside. We outside, gangies. Who wanna cut up? Who's this guy in front of me, man? We out? What's up? He look like we out. Oh, I'm on his ass. What's up? We good? Let me put this window up, man, cause it's mad loud. I mean, the wind is mad loud, but what if I open this one?
Wait, that one better.
That one's better, right? What kind of car is that? Those are like the little cars. The motherfucker, those cars be mad loud too. I've seen. Oh, he don't want. Let's see if he wanna go. What's up? I'm gonna get on his ass. See if he pushes it. Let's go, bro. We out. What's up? That shit's slow. That shit don't wanna go nowhere. Damn, it's just so loud out there. Niggas in the eject button. Niggas in the jet right now. Eject! Niggas shoot out the fucking sunroof. Yo.
Oh, that's funny as
Yo, that's funny as hell.
Yeah, must have this shit, bro.
Yo, I think there's a cop out there though.
That's some Batman shit, bro.
What? Yeah.
Check button.
Hondas always be down for the shit. God damn, nigga. Nigga said I was in a front flip. The Hondas always be down for the shit, bro. I'm on him. I like following niggas. Like, I could have been past them, but like, that's not as fun as following niggas. But on this Honda right. Those yellow cabs like that, bro, they be cops sometimes, bro. Nah, he's slow. He be out though. Niggas, bro, I swear, people, the niggas in Hondas, bro, they be out, bro. They don't care about their life, bro. Oh, he cutting out, but I need to take this exit. Yeah, I gotta take this exit right here. I'll see you later, Honda. Be safe. My favorite tunnel, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Should I Hellcat? Nah, that should probably it could be, or it could be the basic shit. I don't think so though. It doesn't look wide body. But yeah, guys, we're not too far from Times Square. Pretty much got to our little area that we were wilding at. I gotta play avoid the potholes though, bro. This should be mad bumpy over here. I don't go deep.
Jump is crazy. Nigga went faster than light.
Yeah, we wildin'. We go outside. So I don't be having no gas, bro.
Already got a refill.
We wildin'. Wake up! Wake up! Sticks is coming to town. We wailing, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like in here, it's not even that loud, bro. But outside, it should be so loud.
Shit bounce out the building.
Yeah, that's why I love doing it over here, cause like that should be against the buildings. I know that should be loud with the buildings and shit. Nah, oh, this cabs don't be caring about their life, bro. Se meten y ya.
Got traction control.
Yeah, wildin'. I mean, it's all-wheel drive, so like even with traction control off, I don't know, whoever getting taken to the hospital,
They got knocked out.
le entran a trompar uno ahí.
It's a bar. Somebody
Oh yeah, definitely somebody got their face pushed in. No God. Yo, look at the light, bro. We almost there, bro.
That's what it should be doing.
Yeah, this is over there. Should be making mad noise.
He's pushed it.
Look at the cops right here. Football. What's up?
Is that Trump? Oh, no.
The Trump Towers? They be around somewhere.
Oh, no. It's a show.
Or I gotta drive around saying subscribe. I be giving them a show, that ass.
Wake them niggas up.
My mama.
That was loud.
Yeah, that one was loud, right? That was like OD gas.
Dude, I got food shit right there.
Nah, in my car too. That should be smelling like mad gas. Let's see if there's mad people out here. I'm sure there is. I think the stairs are to the left, right? Yeah, from here. Yeah. So I gotta go straight and then come through so we can be on this thing. Even though there's a little bit of traffic, but that's like, you know, so we can pass by like that. Type shit.
BMW, look, I see the tail lights. Check to that. Say every subscriber counts.
Or every single one, hasta un perro que subscribe counts. Gotta make a left here actually. Oh, look at, is this a 340? Oh, it's a 5 series? 5 what? This next one. No, not this one, the next one. I used to come over here so much, bro, with when I was in the car group. I used to come over here. Yeah. So be at all the car meets, all the car events, all them shits. But I wasn't recording, I wasn't making YouTube videos then. Otherwise I would have had mad content. But this summer, I'm gonna do it again. I'm not gonna join a group, but I'll also like know where. Look at, you esta línea, loco. What's that line for?
Oh, yo, this shit always, it's a fucking food car over there, bro.
That's the food car I be hearing about. That niggas be coming over here just for that shit, bro.
My mom was right here, so
Oh yeah?
she be always seeing that line, but she said she walk out and she always see a fucking line.
Damn, is that food that good though?
100 deep.
And it's a
I think
truck, like.
just some regular chicken though.
Oh.
This is outside.
I don't know what car that is though. It sounds like my car, so it's probably a different. It's not my car though. It's some like.
Imagine a big ass pothole.
Nah, I've been through this shit so many times, bro. Making videos and stuff. Like I know where they at, bro. I know where all them shits be at. So I already know how to avoid them. You guys believe the first time I came, bro, I was hitting every single one of them. Yeah, so we go through here, make a left, and then we go right through Diamond Square, bro. And that's all she wrote, folks. Damn, I want this light to turn red or something, so I can do a thumbnail. What's this guy doing, bro? He kept wailing. Bro, this shit. ain't gonna turn dumb.
He was just, if it wasn't for them, you shot all these.
Well, D, I would've. I would've went by here at 1,000. Oh, policia, caíle atrás. Oh, who did that? Was it me? We'll be outside, bro. I can't even wild out, dude.
Fuck, this should have been dead nice. See all these niggas jump.
Where his stupid ass at?
Dude.
What, the cop passed already? No, not that guy. The guy that was behind us.
Oh.
The car.
No, you're not following.
He gone, I think. Alright, well. Our only time to make noise is from here to over there, because we turn right and we dip. That's our C road, folks. I hope you like the city. This is it, guys. New York City. Oh, the cop? Yeah, I did. No, I didn't forget. No, I didn't forget. Who's jamming to that? Oh, it's these two right here. Just gonna make me go harder. Look at these knees. Ropa tiene esa muchacha. Oh no, that's a dude, I think. That nigga got that triple quadruple chin. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a 4 series. It's a 4 something. Couple of these right there. I look at when I make noise, bro. This dude right here, I think it's just man stock though. It's una cebolla. He like it, he like it. ¿Te gusta, primo? Te lo vendo. Dame 40 que te lo doy. Garantizado. Dude, I wanna make noise so bad, but the is right there, bro. Bro, it's Saturday, bro. That's the thing. It's active.
It's like fucking 8 o'clock.
Where? It's active outside right now. That they active. The niggas in the Mercedes, they stay singing. Oh, guys, look at the ball. I don't know if you guys can see the ball. It's over there. That's a ball that they drop in New Year's and shit. Yeah. Should I turn here though? Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna turn right here. Oh, he think he nice. Yo, get him. Get him. Y'all didn't see him? Yo, yeah, he's walking around. I do that shit, me caen atrás.
Whole bunch of bullshit. Either got vodka.
No, they jamming, yo. That's what I'm saying. They jamming right now. Oh, yeah. There I go. It's our life there. I'm surrounded. Busta, 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 busta. Bitch, I'm drowning. Stupid. That's how you do it. Oh, look at another one right here. Is that my car? That's the same. That's an M4, I think. There was one time, there was a Karen, bro, and I was doing that, and she was walking. She's like, stop doing that. I said, or what? And then I did it even louder, they got on purpose. I said, or what? And I went crazy on purpose. Be controlling this shit.
Some of these scooters be going crazy though.
Then some of them just be out.
I saw a video of a scooter that shit go like 50 miles an hour.
How much?
50.
Yeah, some of them just be brolic.
Took that shit to the house.
No, that's crazy. All right, you guys. Well, we're pretty much out the city now. I hope you guys enjoyed that video.